Hi, good day. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set your new WordPress website to coming soon mode, or set your existing WordPress website to maintenance mode. When you are just starting out your new WordPress website, you would want to do two things. You want to be designing your website from the back end, and you want your visitors, your followers, maybe your social media followers, to know that you are cooking something that is going to be ready very soon. So hence you need something to show them that your website is coming soon. But you won't want them to just come to the website and see that this is what you are doing from the back end. Like, it is still under development. So you will want to use a coming soon page. And also, it could be that you already have your website and you want to make some periodic maintenance, or maybe you want to change your WordPress website theme. You want your users to know that something is going on, and in the next 2 hours, in the next 24 hours, the website is going to be back alive. So that is exactly what we are going to be looking at in this video. And by the way, my name is A. Badmos, and into educational consultancy. I do a lot of web design, content writing, and I'm also a nursing student. So you would like to click the subscribe button so that anytime I publish a new video, you will be able to get a notification. When you click on the notification button, it's going to pop up on your phone anytime I publish a new video, and you won't want to miss it. So let's get straight into it. For this video, we are just going to be looking at using two basic plugins. I call them two basic plugins. They are free, just have to install them to your WordPress website and start using the free version to get what we want to get. All right, the first one is SeedProd. This is coming to maintenance mode, landing pages, and WordPress web builder by SeedProd. And the second plugin that we'll be using or comparing is WP maintenance mode and coming soon by Team ISO. All right, so let's start with the first one. You go to plugins, click on add new. All right, so it's loading. Then you search for SeedProd. SeedProd. It's going to load. When it loads, you click on install. It's going to take some seconds to install. Then you click on the activate button. So once you click that, it's going to load, and we start designing our coming soon page. So any of the two plugins can be used. I'm going to explain both. You are free to choose anyone that you think is suitable for what you want to do. So you are free to choose anyone that is suitable. So my seed code is in. I'll just click on settings, and that is going to start. All right, so we have some pages here. We have the coming soon mode, we have maintenance mode, we have this pro version, which is login page. Maybe you want to direct your default WordPress login page to a customized one, although there are some other plugins that you can use to achieve that instead of buying the pro version of this. So let's just go straight to what we want to do. We would like to edit this page first before we put it on. So let's edit it. By the way, there are some other plugins that we would like to use with this. You might like to quickly go and install WP Forms, because you need to integrate it to this. If you want to add a contact form, you will need to integrate it with this. So we click on edit page. All right, so this is a default template that come with this. Um, Most of the pages, most of the stuffs there are editable. You can change this to something else. You can change almost everything that is here to what you like. We also have templates. You can choose any of the templates that is available. It's not loading fast. I'll show us another place where you can add your templates. All right, so you can edit the templates. You can tell your clients, your users about the things that they should expect when your website is live. All right, so you click on this, you edit it. Let's say it's latest football news. Okay. So and you can add new item to the table also. So another thing is that you can add contact us section, and for you to do that, you will need to install WP Forms. You create a contact form page, and you add WP form to this page. And if you are using a mobile phone to do this, you know that WP form is no more working on mobile version, so it can only work on system version. So you have to take that into consideration. So there are some other stuffs that are there that you can use. Okay, this is contact form. Okay, so that is for WP form. So you can only use it with WP form. So once you have created a form, you just select the form from here. So you click on this setting button, block setting, and you select the form. So if you don't have a form already, you click on create form and you quickly create the form, and that one will be that. So once you are done creating the form, the next thing is to save before you set it to live. All right, so it's still loading. So once you are done creating the form, you save it and you put it live. Okay, while that one is going on, you select simple contact form, click on use templates. All right, so you edit this size, the name, first and last name, email. You can edit this to something else, comment or message, feedback or something. So once that one is done, just save it. You can do some other settings here. So you can do some other settings like the form name. You can change the submit button text, and you can change notifications here. You can change this to any email that you want. Then this is confirmations. And this side you can use your webmail. It's better you use a webmail so that it's going to uh-huh. So like it's easier. So webmail is something like something at kednews.com.ng. That's an example of webmail. So let me just quickly save, and we now add that to our page here. Alright, so you can see I have the page. So contact us can be able to allow people to contact me. So I just click on save and now go back to activate the. Alright, so like as I click on the cross sign, is asking me if I would like to activate the the page now. So I'll just click on activate and it will be done immediately. Alright, so it's done. So another way by which I can activate this is just to come to SeedProd landing pages and you toggle this button. So then we have to know that this is actually active. You are going to see coming soon mode active here. Once you once you activate the page, this will be on. Then this is going to be green. So to deactivate, you just click on this place and it's going to deactivate. So let's quickly see what we've done, whether it's actually working. So, and another thing is that for a new WordPress website, you should install a cage plugin, which is going to allow your website to quickly serve to users very fast. So, this is what we've done quickly, and you see that it is very simple to do. So, let's quickly check out the second plugin now. So I just deactivated the page so that we see how the second one works. Alright, so we are going to follow the same step that we followed earlier. Go to plugins, click on add new, then search for coming soon. So we search for coming soon. Alright, the plugin is going to come up here, then you click on install. After that, you click on activate. You see that both of them are even side by side here. So there are still some other plugins. So these are some things you need to look. The last updated compatibility with your WordPress version, and also what are people saying about that particular plugin. So I've mentioned that in my previous videos, like some of the things you need to consider before you install a particular plugin on your website. So I have it installed already. So let's quickly set it up. I've already installed it. The first time you are installing or activating this plugin is going to run a uh, a setup module for you where you quickly select a template and you are going to edit that template. So I've already selected that. It has automatically created a maintenance page for me. So I'm going to edit it so that you see how it looks. And here are some other templates that you can click on and import it. So when you import for the first time, it's going to install a plugin called Otter, and that is like the page builder that we are going to be using for this. So there are some things that are very nice about this particular plugin compared to SeedProd. Now I have the page here. I can edit the permalink to my liking. As the link is maintenance page for now. You can edit that. Alright, so here I have my page. You can edit the title. You can change this image to another one. So you can change this is at H1. You can change the size or to H2 to H3, and then we have a countdown here. you can edit this by clicking on this card down. Once you click on it, you come to this side, click on the date. So you set the date that you want your website to come online, maybe December 1, November 30. So you set the date and you can also set the time, and this is the time zone also. So I've set the date now, so you can also, customize this. You can also customize this to your liking. Then you can edit this place. You can edit the messages. This is advanced editing. You can edit it. You can edit this also. You can be able to add your Facebook page, your Twitter link by adding twitter.com/, the Twitter address. You can also come here, add a new paragraph. You can add a spacer. You can add a line. This is a spacer. This is what they call. I think yes, this is a spacer. I just allow you to create a space in between blocks. So you can add your social media. You can add chat us on WhatsApp, connect with us or something. Then right, so you just come to here, this place, search for WhatsApp, and you'll be able to add the WhatsApp button. So you enter your phone number, you don't see it pop up, you come to block, enter your phone number, enter a custom message, and that is done. Alright, so once you are done with the customization, you can add some other things, you can add pictures. Then this is the part, this place can allow you to, collect emails and send emails to some people that have visited your website once the website is live. So that is what that part is going to allow you to do. Right, I'm still on. All right, so once you are done with creating the pages, so once you are done with customizing your page, the next is just to click on update. So the first time that you install this particular plugin and you import a specific page, it's going to automatically publish the page. That's why you are not seeing publish, you are seeing update instead. So the page has been automatically published. You can quickly check that using our second browser here. Let me load the page. This is the stuff we did the last time, but now we should have something else. Let me see. Right, but if you updated the page and you see that it's not showing on the front end when you use a phone or something to test, just come to settings here, come to WP maintenance mode. All right, so you see that the status is deactivated. So toggle the status to activated. You can, this is bypass for search bots. You can actually put this on. You don't want search engines to put this website, like put it on search engine yet, since you are still designing it. So you can just put this place on. Then, but for now, this is a live website, so I'll put it off. All right, so exclude this page. It allows you to set the pages that you don't want to be redirected to the maintenance page. That is what this place is for. So let's say there is a page, or let me say I've already created some specific part of the website, but and I want people to be able to access it. So I'm going to put the links. I'm going to put the links here. So I'm going to put the links here per line. So those places will be accessible to the front end users. So you see that this is our login, like the back end, this is the feed. So these are notices. So once you are done, you click on save settings. So let me quickly do explain. Okay, okay, something is wrong somewhere. All right, I think it's activated now. Let's quickly check from here. All right, so it's activated. It's activated. So these are the things that we are able to do the other time. People will be able to, and like I said, you can edit everything that is on this page. You can set it to your liking. So there are still some other thing like this live chat. Let me quickly show us how that bot is added. So to add the bot, you come to manage bots. You set this place to activated, you set your bot name, you can set your name, then you upload an avatar, which is going to be 512 by 512 pixels. And the avatar may be your picture or anything. Then you set the bot name. Okay, my name is bot name. You've already set the bot name here, so it's automatically going to put this there. Right, so this is like the first message that the user is going to see. This is the second one, the third message. So it's going to ask for the person's name. Once the person put the name, this is the response, like what the person put. All right, so it's going to automatically respond with this next message, next message, next message. Then there are like two buttons that you can set. There is tell me more and there is burning. So like user can be able to select any of these two. So once if the user selected the tell me more, this is going to be the response. So this is button one. This is the response that this bot is going to respond to the person. And you can edit everything that is here. So like you are trying to request for the email. Once the person type the email, the person is like already your subscriber. So this plugin allow you to like collect people's emails so that you can send them email using something like Mailpoet or Mailchimp once your website is online. So you'll be able to message them. Right. So and if the person selected the second option, so this is going to be the response. So you can edit some other things like you can try to persuade them why did they select the second one or something. So if it is the first one and the person has already entered their email, this is going to be the next um, like the next response, and this is going to be the last response. So once that is done, you click on save settings and the bot is going to start working. So before we complete the video, this right, so once the people are subscribing, you will see their numbers here, and you can click on export as CSV. This thing is going to download, and you will see all the people that have tried to subscribe. You can also add your Google Analytics. Analytics helps you to collect data of people that are visiting your website. So you can add your analytics tracking code. You go to analysis.google.com, then you click on, you copy the code that look exactly like this, and you put it here, then you click on settings. So you'll be able to monitor people through analytics also. Alright, and the last part is the templates. If you don't like the first one, you can choose any of this one. But once you are trying to choose another template, the first one is going to be overriding and you are going to have a new template. This is like templates for under maintenance, under maintenance. This is coming soon. This is coming soon. So you can import any template and edit it. So let's quickly see how the bot works. All right. So once the person click on it, this automatic message is going to start sending. Let's say my name is Ade as the user. So it's going to say nice to meet you. Kiniko Kiniko. So let's say I click on tell me more, it's going to ask for my email address. All right, send. Then it's going to send the next responses. All right, so that is done. This person has automatically subscribed to receive an email from me once the website is, once the website is live. So let's see if that is actually true. You come to modules and I want to reload this page. All right, so you see, I have now three subscribers. I can export them as CSV and I can open them. So when I'm done with the website, I'm gonna just open this email list, copy everybody, and send them an email that my website is, is online. Come and see what I've been able to do. So I think we should quickly round up now. um, Earlier in this video, we've been able to talk about how we can set our website to maintenance mode and how we can design a coming soon mode also using two different plugins. The first one is SeedProd by uh, SeedProd itself. Then we have WP maintenance by Team ISO, and we were able to compare and contrast the features that are present in uh, the two designs, and you are free to choose anyone that you think you can work with. That you think you can work with. So once you are done with your maintenance, you can just come here and deactivate the plugin, and that will be it. Then once you are done with it and you are no more using it, you can decide to delete the plugin completely from your website. So that will be the end of our video. I hope this helps you to set your new WordPress website to coming soon mode or your existing website to uh, maintenance mode. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be informed anytime I publish a new video. And also, you may like to visit my website where I publish tech related content. The website is intelmouse.com. You can go there and read my articles that are there. There are some WordPress related contents that you can read. Also, the website is intelmouse.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like I said earlier, so that you'll be able to know when we have new content. All right, thank you. See you in my next video.